Imagine you're trying to make a phone call, but your phone is dead. What do? You've probably heard of Ooma, the popular VoIP service that lets you make and receive calls using your internet connection. But did you know that Ooma also has a powerful mobile app that can turn your smartphone into a virtual landline? In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the Ooma mobile app so you can stay connected no matter where you go. 1. Downloading the Ooma mobile app. The first step is to download the Ooma mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded it, open the app and tap on Sign In. 2. Linking your Ooma account. If you already have an Ooma account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're signed in, you'll be asked to link your Ooma account to your mobile number. 3. Setting up your Ooma number. Ooma will provide you with a list of available phone numbers. Choose the one you like best and tap on Next. You'll then be asked to verify your phone number by entering a code that will be sent to you via SMS. 4. Customizing your Ooma settings. Once your phone number is verified, you can start customizing your Ooma settings. You can set your caller ID, create a voicemail greeting, and enable or disable call forwarding. 5. Making calls with Ooma. To make a call with Ooma, simply open the app and tap on the phone icon. Enter the number you want to call and tap on the call button. You can also use the app's contact list to find numbers. 6. Receiving calls with Ooma. When someone calls your Ooma number, you'll receive a notification on your mobile device. To answer the call, tap on the answer button. If you miss a call, you can listen to your voicemail by tapping on the voicemail icon. 7. Using Ooma features. The Ooma mobile app offers a variety of features, including call forwarding, call waiting, and three-way calling. You can also use the app to view your call history and manage your Ooma account. 8. Troubleshooting common issues. If you're having trouble setting up or using the Ooma mobile app, there are a few common issues you can check for. These include poor internet connectivity, incorrect login credentials, and phone number verification problems. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tutorials.